Welcome to this video tutorial on installing AMI Data Center Manager on Microsoft Windows Server. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up AMI DCM on Windows Server 2022, but the steps will be similar for other supported versions of Windows Server as well. To download the latest version of AMI DCM for Windows, go to the AMI website at ami.com/AMI-DCM. Then click on the Download Free Trial link. This will take you to a form to enter your details. You will then get an email with a link that when clicked will take you to the DCM trial download page. Download the Windows package and transfer it to your Windows system. On your Windows system, right-click on the installer and choose Run as Administrator. Now click on Next to review and accept the license agreement to proceed with the installation. Fill in the username and organization fields and choose whether to use the default installation directory or provide a custom one. Unless you have a specific reason to use a custom directory, it's recommended to use the default. By default, DCM dispatches SNMP traps to port 1162, uses port 1099 for RMI communication, and port 8643 for Transport Layer Security, or TLS. Unless you have a specific reason to change these port numbers, it is recommended to use the defaults. Next, you will need to specify the sampling interval and data granularity values, which are 60 and 180 seconds by default. Then, you will need to set the main local account credentials that will be used to log onto the DCM web console. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password. AMI DCM uses a key store, which is a container that stores digital certificates and private keys, used for secure communication using the TLS protocol. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password. It could be the same as the password you entered in the prior step or a different one. Finally, to create a unique key store certificate, enter the required fields. Since DCM uses PostgreSQL as a database, you will need to configure its password, port, and the installation directory. Now click on Install to start the installation process. Now that the installation is complete, you can click on Finish to close the installer. To launch the AMI DCM web console, click on the Windows Start button, then click on the Data Center Manager shortcut. This will launch your system's default web browser and load the DCM console login page. Enter the credentials you set up during the installation process to log in. Once you log in, you will see the DCM dashboard. It will be empty for now until you start adding some devices for DCM to manage. Now you are ready to use AMI DCM's manageability and sustainability features. Stay tuned for more videos, and for more information, visit our website or contact our sales team. Download your free trial version today.